In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix memory dump error on Roblox using your PC. Let us start by locating the Roblox player on your desktop. Now right-click on the Roblox player and then choose Open File Location. In here, look for the application name, RobloxPlayerBeta. Then right-click once again on that application. Choose Properties in the pop-up window. Now click on the Compatibility section. Under the Compatibility mode, put a check on a box beside Francis Program and Compatibility mode, then choose Windows 8. Then under the Settings, put a check mark beside the Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an administrator. After doing all of that, tap the Apply button below to save the changes. Then try to relaunch your Roblox player, and that should fix the problem. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.